If your Hamilton Beach coffee maker isn't brewing properly, isn't responding to button presses, or is acting unusually, a reset can often restore normal operation. In many cases, resetting the machine clears temporary electronic faults and allows the coffee maker to function correctly again. To perform a basic reset, turn off the coffee maker and unplug it from the electrical outlet. Wait at least 5 minutes to allow residual power to drain from the internal electronics. Then plug the machine back in and power it on. After reconnecting power, some Hamilton Beach coffee makers may lose stored settings. Reset the clock, reprogram any auto-brew schedules, and verify your brewing preferences before using the machine again. Once the reset is complete, run a water-only brew cycle to verify proper operation. Check that buttons respond correctly and ensure water flows normally through the machine. If the coffee maker works properly, you can resume normal brewing.